Good morning, class. Today in social study, we are doing chapter 12, the state of peninsular plateau. In this chapter, we have already done a state, that is Madhya Pradesh, and today we are doing the second state of the peninsular plateau, and it is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, the capital of the Chhattisgarh is Raipur. It is part plateau and part plain. It means it is this Chhattisgarh is having plateau portion, that is the rocky one also, and the plains are also there. It was formed in 2000 out of Madhya Pradesh. It means before 2000 it was in Madhya Pradesh. Now river there, Mahanadi is the river which flows through the state, and half of the land is covered in forest. It means half of the land is having forest. It has hilly area too. And the major cities are Durg, Bilaspur, Korba. And this is the picture of Bilaspur city. Official language is Hindi, and Chhattisgarhi is also spoken by the local people there. Now about the geography of the Chhattisgarh. You can see this is a Chhattisgarh here in yellow. Raipur is the capital here, and so many states are there which is having boundary with the Chhattisgarh. So in Uttar Pradesh is in the north, having boundary, sharing the boundary with Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand in the northeast, and Odisha in the east, and Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Telangana, this, and Andhra Pradesh, this small area, this is sharing the very small border in the south, and Maharashtra in the west, and Madhya Pradesh in the northwest. So many states are there like Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh, which are sharing the boundaries with Chhattisgarh. Um, Now, when we talk about the food of the Chhattisgarh, rice is their staple food. Like they use rice in every food. Like dal and green vegetables are eaten commonly, and rice is their staple food. So rice recipes are made mostly. That is chusela, angakar, fara, and chila. They are the dishes of the Chhattisgarh, and this is the picture of fara. You know, rice is their staple food. It means they are using rice in every food. Like most of the foods are having rice. Now, this is a very um, unique and famous chutney of Chhattisgarh. This is called Chapura, the red ant chutney. This is the chutney made from the red ant. And they mostly, the tribals people, they eat this chutney. Now about the culture and festival, you know, majority of the population lives in rural areas, in villages, remote areas. So uh, therefore the state has large tribal population, and the tribals can be found in the southern part of state of Bastar. Bastar is also a very famous uh, city there, or the place there where these tribals are found. And this is the tribals of Bastar. This picture which you are seeing, that is a tribals of Bastar. And now about the festivals, then they have this Hareli festival in monsoon. Like also in northern hills also we have one festival which is known as a Harela, and they are having the same type of festival Hareli during the monsoon season. Now there is one more festival. The Bastar is a tribal area, so they have their Bastar Lokotsav. Utsav is the festival, so Bastar Lokotsav is there, and they also celebrate Diwali, and Bhagoria is their festival. Uh, Now this is a picture of Hareli festival. You know, this is something of a new crops coming out. Very nice picture this is. This is a of the tribal festival, Hareli festival. And now we are having this Bastar Lokotsav, I said you. This is the festival, again the tribal festival where they dance, they sing, they do the games, everything. And this is the picture of that Bastar Lokotsav. Uh, Now about the agriculture there, most of the people live in the rural area. Rural means the villages, so they depends on agriculture, and rice, maize, pulses, oil seeds, and tribals depends over forest for their product. This is the picture of your mustard seed from where they take out the oil. Um, Now uh, tourism, state has rich natural diversity. Like you have seen that there, uh, plateaus are there, hills are there, forests are there, plains are there in the state. And this is a hot spring in Tatpani. Sarguja district is known for the medicinal values. There is a Tatpani. In Tatpani, hot spring is there where the hot water comes out, and it is having a medicinal values. Uh, then we have Achna Kamar Wildlife Sanctuary there. Indravati National Park is there. Kanger Ghati National Park is there, and Boram Dev Temple is there, and one place is there, Kanker, a town is there which is famous for natural beauty. It's a beautiful town. Uh, this is a Lakshman temple there. It's a beautiful, famous for carving and everything there. And the next picture is, which I said you, Kanker. This is a waterfall there. It's a beautiful town. Uh, Next picture is, this is Chitrakote waterfalls. Beautiful waterfall, just see. And this is the Tatpani, which I said you, hot spring, which is having the medicinal value. And now the thermal project is coming to this place, which is going to be the first uh, thermal project of India. They are going to start here. This is a Boramdeo temple, a beautiful temple here. Just see that how they have made the figures on stones. and this is Achan Kamar Wildlife Sanctuary. And now about the industries. You know, the famous Bhilai steel plant is there. It is the largest in the world. This is the picture of the Bhilai steel plant. So rich resources of minerals uh, like limestone, coal, and iron is there. Bilaspur is also having coal mines. Mining is a major industry here. And Bhilai steel plant, which is the picture here, is the largest in the world producer of steel. And the small industries like tribal handicrafts, handloom, etc. is also there. And the famous Tussar silk sari is the like handicraft uh, work is there. And this is the person. Oh, this is the Tussar silk industry here. So this person is weaving the Tussar silk, and this is a very Tussar silk. This is the silk he is making a sari of that, and it is famous cloth or sari. It is very famous here, and it is very expensive and very famous all over the world. The Tussar silk. In this video today, we have learned about the state of Chhattisgarh. We saw its culture and the tribes and the festivals uh, are there, and agriculture and industry. We saw its rich natural resources which are even famous for tourism like Tat Pani hot spring. Now, now you will read about Chhattisgarh in the book. In next live class, you will be asked question about this video. So read it properly. Thank you.